The skies are abuzz with a new breed of warrior, the Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, or UAV. Today, we examine two such contenders in this new age of aerial combat, the Israeli Heron and the Indian Tapas. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, the Heron first took flight in 1994, quickly gaining a reputation for reliability and effectiveness. Not to be outdone, India developed the Tapas, short for Tactical Airborne Platform for Aerial Surveillance, which first flew in 2016. These two UAVs represent the cutting edge of drone technology, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. As we delve deeper into their capabilities, we gain a glimpse into the future of warfare, where unmanned systems play an increasingly vital role. The Heron boasts impressive technical specifications. With a length of 8.5 meters and a wingspan of 16.6 meters, it is a formidable presence in the sky. Powered by a reliable Rotax 914 engine, the Heron can reach speeds of up to 207 kilometers per hour and stay airborne for over 52 hours. Equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical payloads, the Heron can detect, track, and identify targets with high accuracy. It can also carry a variety of payloads, including electronic warfare systems and precision-guided munitions, making it versatile for both intelligence and combat operations. This remarkable endurance allows the Heron to undertake long-duration surveillance missions, providing constant situational awareness. The Tapas UAV, while smaller than the Heron, is no less capable. Measuring 6.5 meters in length with a wingspan of 10 meters, it has a maximum takeoff weight of 750 kilograms. Powered by a Rotax 914 engine, the Tapas can reach a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour and has an endurance of over 24 hours. The Tapas is equipped with advanced sensors, including synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical payloads, enabling it to gather critical information on enemy positions and movements. While not currently equipped for combat missions, its design allows for future integration of weapon systems, potentially expanding its role in future conflicts. This allows the Tapas to perform extended surveillance missions, providing valuable intelligence to ground commanders. Section 4. Dueling Drones. Comparing capabilities. Both the Heron and Tapas excel in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance roles. The Heron, with its longer endurance and heavier payload capacity, is well suited for long-range maritime patrol and border surveillance missions. The Tapas, while having a shorter range and endurance, offers greater operational flexibility due to its smaller size and lower cost. Its advanced sensor suite makes it ideal for tactical reconnaissance, providing real-time intelligence to ground forces. The choice between the Heron and the Tapas depends largely on specific operational requirements. Section 5. Experience versus potential. Weighing the advantages. The Heron UAV has a clear advantage in terms of experience, with years of service in various conflict zones demonstrating its reliability. The Tapas UAV, while newer, benefits from the latest technological advancements and offers a strategic advantage for India by reducing reliance on foreign suppliers. While it may lack the Heron's operational history, the Tapas' potential for growth and adaptation makes it a promising contender. The future will likely see both UAVs operating in tandem, each fulfilling specific niches in modern warfare. The Heron's experience and versatility will continue to make it valuable, while the Tapas' evolving capabilities will position it as a key player in drone technology. Section 6. The future of warfare. Drones on the horizon. Unmanned aerial vehicles like the Heron and Tapas represent a paradigm shift in warfare, performing dangerous missions without risking human life. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated drones, pushing the boundaries of aerial warfare. These drones will become increasingly autonomous, equipped with advanced sensors and weapon systems, enabling precise strikes and electronic warfare operations. The rise of drone warfare raises important ethical and legal questions that must be addressed through international cooperation. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it is crucial to ensure these powerful tools are used responsibly and ethically.